Hey guys, what's up? It's Wolf here with an unboxing video, and today is an unboxing that I just got today. It's an Airsoft unboxing, and this is what I got in a trade for an Ak47's SR25. So I traded this on a forum, and I shipped my gun out Wednesday of last week, and now, or was it this week? I can't remember. Anyway, the guy told me he didn't know when it would show up. He said he shipped it out on Wednesday. It's already here. What was it? Friday. So, don't really have a date when this was shipped, so can't really tell you. But yeah, it's here now. So I got it open finally. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, no. Okay, so open this bad boy up, and let's see, we get packing peanuts. Awesome. Really don't like packing peanuts. First off the bat, two AK, I think, high caps that are in here. So if you guess, I traded two AKs for this. So there's the two high caps. Let's get to the rest of this. I love guns. Paper. Here, and the first one is a tactical AK. Get that in the picture. It is a tactical AK. I think this is a JG brand. Yeah, it's definitely JG. JG has that blue like top cover that comes on with it. Pretty nice. Does not have the stock. That's gonna need to be tightened. Yeah, obviously does not have the stock. So there's one. And let's go to the second one. Really hate packing peanuts. More paper. Well, that's not good. That piece is loose. No, it comes right off. Awesome. And here's the second gun. This one I was told is an SRC. As you can see, it's got some cosmetic issues, as that is supposed to be like that. So don't know what I'm gonna do there. But this one is an SRC AK. Also, the stock is, there's no stock on here. Nor is there a magazine at all, or a magazine. There's no sling mount right there. But yeah, two guns for the price of one. Not a bad deal. Stock is wobbly as it'll get. But yeah, definitely pleased with my trade and my purchase. So this is Wolf with an unboxing of two AKs, and I'm signing out.